Hello, in this video I'll show you how to enable scheduled capture on GoPro Mission 1. To do it, click on the name of the mode you're currently in on the bottom of your screen. Then scroll down until you find scheduled capture. Then you can set the time, the exact time of the scheduled capture. I'll set it to the closest possible time. It even shows me the current one. I'll set it to 7:30 p.m. and let's set it to on. Then from now on it will do it. So now let's wait a minute. Okay, it can happen anytime now. Yes, it counts down from 3 and then it starts capturing. So this is how the scheduled capture works. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. I can do